Yo, what's up guys? Tommy here for another video. Today we got Need for Speed Payback. Check it out. Look at this. Need for Speed. We got like all the games. I think it's like one player, but it's T for Teen, EA Sports. You know it's gonna be good. Okay, look what we got in here. The game. It comes with these two things. I think it's like directions and a code to get 20% off. But yeah, it's 45 gigabyte minimum. Online, 4 to 8 players, 1 player normally. It's like a Blu-ray disc. EA.com if you want to go look. If you want to look at it. But yeah, I can't wait to ride in the GTR. You see it on the front. And it jumping through stuff is crazy like that. Jump in the cars. This one, he's like jumping in Kensington. But yeah, there's like a helicopter in there. There's like an old car, BMW GTR. But yeah, this is Need for Speed Payback. If you want, I'm gonna leave a link in the description if you want to go buy it. Use my promo code so I can get a percentage of each game. But yeah, I think that's it for today, guys. If you want more information, just message me on any platform, Instagram, I think Facebook. If you're signed up for Facebook, you can message me there. Twitter, I'm on Twitter. You can go to my main page and in my banner, you'll see links, and on my about page. Alright guys, Need for Speed Payback. I think this is like the best game that's like out. I don't know the other games. I think Call of Duty. So there's some other ones, but I'm not really sure if they're good or not. I gotta try them. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. Boom.